Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on real quick and give you a way to see how to make some of the changes to be able to edit your project. So their project itself is 4 days altogether. Your first 3 days, you'll have files that look like this slide and this slide. So I have text boxes around to explain to you what to click on, how to edit, and things like that. So when you finish editing a part, you need to delete the arrow and the text box with the instructions so that you're just turning in your slides. So I decided to, since you guys are doing body systems, to use a body tissue so that I didn't take away from anyone's project. So I chose connective tissue. I created a username, which on your project you will see it says username here. So you can change that here and down here to be your username. And then here you can edit the full name. So I wrote connective tissue. I will add a bio here about that, and followed by different friends. Blood and bone are types of connective tissue, so I might have those accounts following connective tissue. You can even, I have it so you can even edit the service provider. So I changed mine from Verizon, which is on your template, to AT&T. You can also change the time if you want. What I mean by getting rid of the arrows and the text boxes is after I did that part, I'm deleting it. I can click on and fill in, change the color from, you can fill in whatever color if you want to. If I want to add some signal strength, I can do that. I can get rid of those once that's done. I edited the username. I can get rid of that text box. If you want to change the battery level, I even have it so you can go so far as to do that. You can change your number of posts, the number of followers, and the number of accounts your account is following. Once you do that, you can delete that box and arrow. So I already changed my profile picture on here, and the way I did that is I keep changing that, sorry. I'm going to do the same thing down here, so I'll show you how I did this. So what you're going to do is right click on that image, click replace image, and do search from the web, or search the web. Now this is the picture I used for my profile picture, so I can either double click on here, or you can click once and then click replace, and it will fill that circle in with your chosen picture. You can so day 1 of your project, your post is supposed to be about the function of your body system. So I will have a picture filled in here of the function of connective tissue. You are going to need to have a caption and at least one hashtag that goes with that. You can change your number of likes and all of that in this particular text box. Once I have this slide done, I would go through and make sure all of those arrows and text boxes are deleted before you go on to the next part. So for your first 3 days are going to be posts. You also need to have 8 comments. So the comments should be you filling in a username of an account that would be related to yours in some way. So for example, if you had the digestive system, maybe you have the stomach and small intestine commenting on the post. So it should be related to your system in some way. You'll come up with a username. They need to have an account picture and some kind of related comment. If you want to add hashtags and get really creative, I'd love to see that. So I'll leave that kind of up to you. Also, if you would like to change the emojis down here, you are welcome to do that. So you can click on one of them and then delete that out. If you come up then to insert and down to special characters, that will bring up choices for you. So when I first did this, emoji was not selected, it was on symbol. Okay, so I need to go to pick emojis from that list, and then I have different categories, okay, that I can click on. So blood is a kind of connective tissue, so maybe I would pick the syringe there with blood coming out of it, and to replace one of my emojis. You can do that, you can leave it, that's part of what you'll do. So your first 3 posts will have that format. Your final day of the project, you are going to create kind of like the whole Instagram page for your account. So again, you'll go in, edit the username and all of that, make this kind of match your other posts. And then you have 9 images to add. 3 of these 9 images should be the pictures you used for your post from the first 3 days of the project. The other 6 pictures just need to be pictures that you feel relate good to your system that you are researching. And then you'll submit that. Your final part of the project is, and I should say here too, you'll get rid of all of these arrows and text box instructions before you submit this. Your last day of the project is you combining all 3 posts and this Instagram page into one Google Slides file and submitting that. So I just wanted to kind of show you how to edit. Hopefully this helps. If you have questions, please let me know. And I'm really looking forward to seeing your projects.